Hello GIS and remote sensing enthusiasts. Hope all of you are well. In this video we are gonna learn about how to show transparent background of any shape or country. For that, first load the world boundary, that is FAO Global Administrative Unit layers. Search for GAUL and import the Global Administrative Unit layer 2015 country boundaries. And let's rename it to countries. Let's see the table schema of this feature collection. We will need this field ADM0_name, that is UN country name, so that we can filter out any country by the country name. Now let's get the boundary of Germany. We need to filter from this variable. First put that variable dot filter and then ee dot filter dot equal, let's paste the ADM0_name and the name should be Germany. We filter out the boundary of Germany. Now let's add that boundary to the map. We will use add layer function. Germany. And let's run the code. The boundary is loaded but not centered to the map. Let's make it center using center object function. The shape of Germany is loaded here. But this is not totally transparent. We want it to be transparent, and boundary of the country should be red so that it will be more visible. So let's make it using a style. And the color should be red and fill color the last two digits are for the transparency. Let's also make it red. Then run the code. Voila, we have our boundary with transparent fill. The last two digits are for the alpha. We can make it 50% transparent. And you can change it as you need.